Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Typescript on Windows 11 operating system. So first here we need to install Node.js. So Node.js we need to install. So in Google search box right there Node.js, then you can get here Node.js org site. So you need to click this site. After that this is the recommend most people are using this version and this is the latest features. So I highly recommend you should use this one. So click this button, then you can see the file is downloading. The file type is MSI. So this file that I already have, so I'm not going to download. So now I'm going to show you the installation steps. So download, here you can see Node version 16. So double click there. Thereafter you can see the installation wizard of Node.js that's come there. Click on this next. Then check that I accept, click next. So this location Node.js going to install. So click next. Then after Node.js runtime add path npm package. Click on this next. Thereafter click on this next and install. So there installing Node.js inside Windows 11 operating system. So now you can see this is successful. After that finished. Then after click on open the command prompt. Then if you want to see the version of the Node.js, so right here node ---- version. Press enter. So Node 16 version that install. Now the next is we need to create the new directory. So right click, then after new and here new folder. So writing here Typescript project. Okay, Typescript project. Then copy the location. Thereafter open the command prompt. Then use the cd and then after Control V is not working. I think it's not copied successfully. Trying again. And here paste. Press enter. Then after here let's close that. Then we need to use this package npm install Typescript save ---- Control C and paste there. Press enter. Then you can see the npm warn global config local. Then after Typescript still audit bulk request. This is the version of the Typescript this is going to install. Package audited 2 package in 59 seconds. After doing this one, so I'm going to here or run hello world program inside the Typescript. So now you can see inside the Typescript project directory this all those things that's created. Now the next is here. So going to create one new text file and inside there I'm going to copy this code and paste there. Then after Control S and there you can see save as. So here let's give the file name app dot. For Typescript we need to give the extension ts. Okay, ts. Then app.ts file that created. Now the next is here we need to compile this one. So first we need to compile. So location is that's fine. So here for compiling we need to use tsc app.ts. Press enter. So here I'm getting the tsc is not recognized internal or external command. Okay, so here I think tsc path we need to set that. So here you can see module. here bin. So you need to copy this location. Thereafter here you need to open edit system environment variable. Then here edit variable, go to path. Then click on this edit. There new and here okay. Then what we need to do, so here let's open the command prompt once again. So when you write here tsc, this time this is working. And let's change the directory, or here you can see this is here. So we need to change the directory first. So for this one, file is in this location. So that let's use here cd command and paste. Now I'm going to compile this app. So for this one we need to use tsc app dot file extension is ts. Press enter. So this time there is no any problems, and here you can see JavaScript file that created. So here you can see JavaScript file type is created. Now we need to run this. So right here node app.js. Press enter. So hello world, that's displaying. And if I do any modification on this TypeScript file, so let's choose another application. So this here I'm going to, so more application going to open with the notepad. So hello world, they're going to write how are you. Control S, and this not required, so that we can delete. Now if you run this one, so you can get the previous output, but I changed the file, so we need to compile tsc app.ts, and for running we need to use here node app.js. So hello world, how are you, that's displaying. So this is how we can run the TypeScript inside the Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next to it. Thank you.